Poras Rahul Mehru. Today is 5th September. All of us wait eagerly for this day because it is Teachers' Day. Our teachers not only teaches us, they support us, they inspire us, they enlighten us. And today is the day to thank them. I wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers are our friend, philosopher and guide, and I am grateful to them for their support. Their role is very vital. They teaches us through books and experience in their life. 5th September is birth anniversary of former President of India, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who is greatest Indian teacher of all time, and that is why we celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September every year. I also take this opportunity to list all the greatest teachers of India. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, Gautam Buddha, Chanakya, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Savitribai Phule, Swami Vivekananda. I bow down to all the teachers of the world and especially my teachers of St. Joseph Convent Senior Secondary School. Thank you.
लड़खड़ाते हैं हम, थाम लेते हैं आते वो, खो जाए राह तो राह रोशन करते वो, कभी मुस्कुराते हैं वो, कभी गुस्सा करते हैं वो, हमें है यकीन हमसे प्यार करते हैं वो। दिए की ज्योति सीप में मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीना होती, हमें भी सलीका न होता, जीने का तरीका न होता। ओ टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, कि भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी। छोटे छोटे हाथ, छोटे से पाँव थे, नन्ही सी आँखों ने जब देखा था तुम्हें, न था मालूम कि तुम ही तो दोगे पहचान हम सभी को, इसलिए शुक्रिया दिल से तुमको। दिए की ज्योति सीप में मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीना होती, हमें भी सलीका न होता, जीने का तरीका न होता। ओ टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, ये भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी। लड़खड़ाते हैं, थाम लेते हैं ये वो, खो जाए राह रोशन करते वो। छोटे छोटे हाथ, छोटे से पाँव थे, नन्ही सी आँखों ने जब देखा था तुम्हें, वो टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, ये भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी। Happy Teachers Day!
Hello, myself Mustafa Bandukwala. In the wake of coronavirus pandemic, all the schools have been closed for the last few months. With online classes, students and teachers will now be celebrating Teachers' Day 2020 virtually. The occasion that we are going to celebrate is Teachers' Day. We thank all the teachers for their contribution in this pandemic for teaching us online. Now the first point is, why is 5th September celebrated as Teachers' Day? In India, September 5 is celebrated as Teachers' Day To honor teachers for their contributions in shaping the life of students, September 5 is also the birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna recipient Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was the first Vice President and the second President of India post independence. He was born on September 5th, 1888. Now, the next point is thanks to all our teachers. From guiding us to motivating us, this year our respect for teachers worldwide has grown immensely. We know it has been challenging for each one of us, but the teachers have been our lockdown mentors. They have supported us throughout and helped us cope with online classes and tests. In these tough times, I would like to thank all the teachers on behalf of each and every student for your unwavering support. Thank you for guiding us, inspiring us, and making us what we are today. Thank you for your support. Well, thank